Gurdwara is a place where the Sikh people make their worship. Oh, it's even on. So we are here at the Sikh temple.
Gurdwara.
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 Gurdwara. Guru?
Dwara.
Dwara.
Guru means that Lord, and Dwara means their palace, kind of.
So we are there at their palace. So we had to remove our shoes, cover our head.
That's the important thing. We must cover your head.
Yes, as you can see.
Sikh thing. Yeah.
A Sikh
And
thing.
then, yeah, and everything is completely free here. Like you know, generally you go anywhere in India, like the temple, Taj Mahal, they charge money everywhere for foreigners. But here, any religion, doesn't matter, like Muslim, Hindu, Christian, Buddhist, anyone can come, eat, and everything is free. Even the parking is free as well. Yeah, and they're super systematic. Like you can see the cleanness here. You can see their
It's clean everywhere. It's right. One of the only places
no
in India.
No screaming, like everywhere silence. Yeah.
So as you can see, the people chill there. The people are chilling.
Yeah.
We're walking around this nice pool. You can also take a bath for free. Oh yeah, we just want to look the girl behind us.
They provide all the time for free. They don't ask a single penny. They don't ask a single penny of this.
Look at that fan. Everybody comes here, rich, poor, get fruit for free. Fruit is everywhere on the floor. Everybody's working. Woman, girl, boy, man. Thank you.
Like this. So you have to it's like we are the beggar of the Lord.
Yeah.
We get the food. So you have to request them like this. Everything especially this one, you have to take like this.
Okay.
And this is not food, this is prasad, like coming from the God.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is soybean, this is veg protein. No spices at all, that's spicy.
That's not a roti. What's that? What's that?
Roti.
Roti? Tastes different.
They use other flour. They mix wheat with multigrain.
So, finished eating. You can get here as much food as you want. So you can stay as long as you want and eat as much as you want. They will give it to you for free.
They never ask money, anything.
Yes, they don't ask for anything, no money, no nothing. Look how many people are here, and this is all day going on like this. You're finished with your food. You try to don't step on other food on the floor. Then you bring it back. Cool place. First time I've seen this in my life. Thank you. So we're at the beginning, we're at the end where the journey started. Let's see if we get our shoes back.
Yeah, they'll bring the shoes. We keep the shoes here.
Hopefully they are ours. Yes. Perfect. Specific about these Sikh people, everybody of them is wearing a weapon. As I understood, in the past, in the religion, they were like the guardians, the fighter. So they still wear the weapon these days.